Hello turbine expert, I'm Sophie Belanger and today we're going to unbox a used and dirty air filters to uncover its hidden tales of dust. Here we have it, a V-Bang final filter, the last line of defense to protect the gas turbines against dust, salt and extreme weather. First impressions are everything, or are they? This filter looks pretty solid, but as I take a closer look, this gasket, well, it's a bit of a puzzle. A good gasket is supposed to create a tight seal, but this one is in 6 separate pieces. Not a great fit for a tight fit. Because a good gasket is supposed to be one continuous piece to prevent dust from sneaking in, like here. Let's install it and take a look. Once installed, this filter's gasket should be compressed to ensure air and water tightness. Because of the way the frame is built, the gasket isn't compressed here and here, so it's not sealing anything. Look at all this dust around the leaking point. It's like a dust party and everybody's invited. This is not what you want from a filter, right? A proper seal is crucial for keeping your air clean, so this filter won't get a seal of approval from us. So remember, ask for one-piece continuous gasket. And verify during installation that you get good compression on all sides of the filters. We've seen poor filter design, we've also seen poor fixation system. The filter and the gasket should snap together like 2 pieces of one puzzle. No room for bypass. If you're looking from the clean side, remember, you should see no light, no traces of dust, no dirty water, or worse, salt traces. Remember, keep your clean side clean and your engine clean for optimal performance. And really, we don't want to see any dust parties. Thank you for watching and see you next time.